Dear guest, warmly welcome to Ansell Xiamen.
At Ansell Xiamen, employee safety is a top priority. COVID has been effectively controlled in China, but prevention measures are still in place in Xiamen plant. For example, every employee's body temperature needs to be scanned before entering the factory, wearing face masks is mandatory, and even hand sanitizer is provided wherever needed. Social distancing is still maintained in the canteen to safeguard our employees. We are committed to the sustainability aspect of our business. Only green energy is used in producing Alpha-Tech fabric and suits and body protection, including in-house solar panels and certified windmill power from the state grid. In the meantime, all scraps are recycled in qualified plants, either reused elsewhere or made into bricks. Zero landfill waste has been achieved in our plants. Xiamen plant owns multiple lamination lines to laminate barrier films and non-woven substrates together, either with or without glue. This provides Ansell with unlimited options to produce technical non-woven fabrics for PPE and medical purposes. AOI, automatic online inspection technology, minimizes risk and protects humans' eyes and provides wearers peace of mind. People are the best asset in Ansell Xiamen. Automation is the key building block for Ansell to maintain our competitiveness in this traditional textile conversion industry. Our smart lines have now evolved to smarter lines. They are customized and dedicated for disposable or limited-use clothing. These lines have noticeably improved productivity levels and quality since they were installed. Robotics functions to assist workers is our latest addition. Hence, Ansell Xiamen won Best Productivity Awards in Ansell last year. At the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, the Xiamen team responded swiftly to the needs of face mask usage in less than 3 months from project initiation to production. The face masks used to protect Ansell colleagues worldwide offers excellent barrier against virus and other hazards. This unique heat-sealed chemical barrier gloves line is for Alpha-Tech 2-100, the best-in-class chemical gloves in Ansell. This glove differentiates itself from a 3D design as opposed to a 2D design commonly seen in the market. Site B is newly built as a consequence of Xiamen's expansion in garment and fabric operations in less than 1 year. This space covers a floor area of 110,000 square feet. And it can accommodate 5 new smart lines, 2 new fabric lamination lines, and associated slitters and anti-static printers. This site can provide Ansell with an additional 4.5 million pieces of coveralls and 65 million square meters of fabric, as well as space for storage. A significant space is also reserved for potential integration for a high-tech breathable film line. Our lab with almost full range of coverall disposable testing includes physical and chemical labs, and a biology lab that's being constructed. Certified to ISO 17025, our lab can provide testing services for R&D, quality control, as well as testing services required by external customers.